All right, guys. I don't know if you can see my screen. Can you hear me? Can anyone hear me, please? So you could share our screen and you'll be able to stand a chance to win up to $1,000. So we are doing live stream now on the US market. So I will also be able to share some powerful market analysis with you. Live market review on New York session. Yeah. Share to win. Share to win a $1,000 account. You can win a $1,000 account when you join us. Yeah. And those of you that have been following me here, my name is Uche Paragon. I am one of the best traders from Africa. So I just want to make sure we are more engaging, all of us. So I would appreciate if you could maybe comment, even if you just only you're watching me, I can be able to kind of interact with you as much as possible. So how you doing? Yeah. So this is our first time doing live on our new innovative hub. We are setting up a very powerful hub. So we consistently have to be on live on YouTube to make sure we get you guys engaged. We have over 14,000 followers now, and I think it's high time we keep engaging you because you join to get value. You know what I mean? So, and we're pushing so hard to make sure we also give you as much as possible up-to-date information that you may need. Do you understand what I mean? So we have 6 people watching me now and the other people connecting on our Telegram channel. I'll be here for approximately 2 hours. I will have for about 2 hours. So I'll be sharing some powerful market analysis with you. You can be able to get value from. Can you hear me? Yeah, I just want to be sure you can hear me. Okay, someone say can hear me. So that means one say I can't hear you. What of now? Can you hear me now? I want to make sure everyone can hear me because someone's glad to be here. So you can hear me very clear now. So if you share our screen, our page, you will stand the chance to win $1,000 account. If you can hear me, can you hear me? I did some setup now, so I want to be sure you can hear me. Okay, can hear me. Yeah, perfect. So okay, that's fine. So let me share some screen with you. So we can connect to the live market. How many of you trading live? Yeah. How many of you is on live? Like you kind of you trade a live account? Comment on the comment section. I'll be glad to have you in. And I think I will share our Zoom link here. So if you want to enter the Zoom and ask me direct question, you can as well enter the Zoom and ask me a direct question. So I'll be happy to answer you. To be honest, I'll be very happy to answer you. We have 10 person watching on YouTube. Oh, that's so nice. So we are growing. No, I celebrate any little win. So from 10 person we get to 100%. From 100% we get to 1,000%. From 1,000%, we go to 10,000 people that will be watching live on our YouTube anytime we are live. So we'll be coming live most likely every day, every day. During the New York session, we'll come live. During the European session, we'll come live possibly in the morning. Then we'll also come live on the New York session. Or if possible, we may be live from New York session to London session to make sure we give you guys as much value as possible. So we may most likely be on live like about 4 hours a day, 4 hours every day. We'll be live with you 4 hours every day, and then we'll be connecting live to you, giving you guys value. First of all, let me get some of you guys here experience. Those who are here now, let me get your experience to be sure to know the level of audience I have. It will help me. Um, God, God is doing massively well. God is crazy. God is doing massively well. So let me know your experiences here. How many years of experience do you have? Is it 1 year, 2 years, 3 years of experience? So I'll be able to know. Let me know your experience. Let me know your experiences. So do you have 1 year experience, 2 years experience, 3 years of experience? It will help me to understand you and know you properly. I think you can hear me. So we'll be exploring the New York market, and we will also explore the gold market. Then we explore the concept of the oil market. Oil seriously came down on Friday, to be honest. It came down to $59 per barrel. It was massive, to be honest. And it came down because of the Donald Trump deal. Someone said we can hear you. Okay. You can hear me. You can hear me. You can hear me. But why can't I hear myself? I need to hear myself. I need to hear myself. I really need to hear myself. So how many of you have a live account? Those are trading live. It can be pro firm, it can be bonus account, it can be anything. How many of you have a live account? If you have a live account, I'll be happy. Let me check some setup. Yeah, my setup is clean. It's very clean. So how many of you is trading a live account? I'll be happy to know how you. Okay, so concerning Euro USD, this is the condition we have now on Euro USD. So this is the condition we have now on Euro USD, and the dollar is really pulling a lot of weight. Dollar is pulling a lot of weight, like massive weight on dollar. And that's important thing that you need to know here. So it forms something we call something we call a reversal point. So most likely here may be a small support zone on Euro USD at the moment. But the reality of it now is that as the market opened this afternoon, dollar is gaining a lot of strength. As the market opens, dollar is getting a lot of strength, and as you can see, so what will be happening in dollar now is this. This is our own suggestion. It's not like we're giving you an investment advice. So most likely the market may come further if this point is broken. If 1.15694 is broken, which is this price. If this price is broken, we may expect dollar to go to 1.15113. We may expect dollar to go to that. That's Euro USD to go to 1.113. You know that there's a tariff war happening as we speak, and it's seriously impacting the market because of Donald Trump just imposed 100% tariff and on China. That's 100% tariff on China, and China is one of the biggest economy in this world. So the tariff will definitely going to have impact in the market. and it will boost the US economy. Despite the US government being shut down, there's a lot of things going on. Like we mix the the non-farm payroll, we mix it because of the US government shutdown. So let me show you. And in the oil market did something similar following the ceasefire agreement that was reaching in Gaza, and the price of oil came down seriously, and that's the major reason the price crashed. But it will still go up as I speak. There are chances of the market going seriously up as I speak. The market will go up as I speak, and there will be more profit for those who are buying. Okay, so Dennis Valentine said I have a life account. Okay, so if I have a life account, fine. And let me know if you are a day trader or you are. Let me know if you are a day trader or you are a position trader. I think I have to keep this in this way so that I can be able to see you guys more. Yeah. Let me keep this one here so I can focus my mic. I can face my camera and face my mic properly so you can be able to see me. Then he said I have a life account. Say I have a life account. Who else has a life account here? Who else? If you have a life account, just let me know. Remember, if you share our page with your friend, you may stand the chance of winning up to $1,000 life account to trade. Yeah, so I'm gonna if you have a life account. Someone said I have a life account as well. Okay, fine. I'm a day trader. So all of you can hear me and I can't hear myself. What, can you hear me now? Perfect. So the Euro USD is very, very active, and the US market is being dominated It's dominated currently now by dollar. And okay, so those of you that are just joining us, make sure you share our channel to people. If you share our channel, you'll be able to have about 1,000. You have a chance to win $1,000 account. So if you share it, send the screen to us. Then our Telegram group is also. You can join our Telegram group. So let me edit something on the page to make sure you can be able to see our Telegram, and you can also see our WhatsApp on our page. And I'm adding a description to it now. I'm adding a description to it now. So we're gonna give out. Yeah. So the Telegram group is this one. So you can join our Telegram, and you can also contact us through the website. The website is up. That's for account management. You can contact us. Okay, let me make it more clear. Yeah. Yeah. So the Telegram group is there. So you can join our new Telegram group. It will help you, to be honest. For account management, contact us on this website. Contact us on youtubeparagon.com. Then for hybrid and automated trading, we use this company. For other brokerage, for manual trading, you can contact us here. Manual trading. Then you can register through, let me get the link for you. I'm sure all of you could hear me, to be honest. So we use AvaTrade for manual trading. Yeah. And this will be the disclaimer. Trading has a risk, so it's not risk-free. So you should be able to hear me now. Is that all right? Yeah, I've saved it so you can be able to contact us from the description. Then I will now continue with the analysis so far. Somebody said, I can't hear you. Yes, I've done that. Okay, perfect. I'm sure you can hear me. Okay, so let me know if you have a question. Anyone who want to ask me any question, I'll be ready to answer your question. So where I go ahead. So now, basically on Britain pound USD, we are having similar experience. Dollar is also dominating, but as important factor you need to consider here, an important factor you need to consider this particular point here, this particular point, which is 1.13694, is a strong support zone. And most likely, the market may not be able to break this point. Yeah, the market will not be able to break this point. So make sure you observe this point, and we will be. If it didn't break this point, the market will go bullish. There's every chance that it will gonna go bullish if this point is not broken. Now, one of the best strategy you can use on this kind of setup here is that you should be very careful. If you're a seller, you may most likely attempt to exist before 1.32694. It will really help you to not to be caught up with your trade at a very low price. This particular point here is a strong zone for buyers. That's on Britain pound USD. And so remember why the market is coming down is because of the Donald Trump policy. But let's actually check what is happening within the the Asian currency like JPY, it's like JPY had a very sharp drop, So this one presented it has more big opportunity for all of us, for those that are connected with us here. It has a very big opportunity for all of us. So it has formed a very strong resistance point at the strong resistance point here is around 153,250. So we should be expecting in the coming days a very good, a very sharp drop. It can drop from that point. It can drop from that point to 150, 178. It can also drop to 148. It's a very good market, to be honest. It's a very good market. So more people are joining. We have 14% here. So those of you that are here, just maybe you can comment your location on the comment sections, because I want to make sure I interact with you guys. I'm actually on this channel because of you. We are growing the channel gradually. So always make sure you comment and let me know who you are. And I'll be happy to quickly attend to you so that I'll be able to make sure I'm communicating what you are familiar with. Yeah, somebody said welcome to them. Yeah, I'm communicating what you're familiar with. You know what I mean? So, and if by any chance, although our team is also working on the background to checking my sound. So, okay, somebody say I'm from Ghana, Nigeria. So, if by any chance you couldn't hear me, I'm also monitoring from another small screen. I will be able to see it. Quickly comment it on the comment section. I hope you're following what I'm analyzing. You can see my screen and see what I'm analyzing, right? I'm sure you can see my screen. Okay, Nigeria. Somebody said, I'm calling from Lagos. Okay, yeah, Collins, yeah. Perfect. I'm actually enjoying the live stream, to be honest. So I think we should continue doing this in every day. What do you guys think? Somebody say yes. Perfect. So what I'm explaining to you on USJPY, because of the Donald Trump policy on tariff, JPY may go very much weak. And let me bring another currency like Chinese currency may also be very weak. Chinese currency fall under, I think, minor currencies. I think CNY USD. It may be mostly impacted. CNY USD. Am I correct on the pay? Okay, it could be USD CNY. USD CNY. Chinese yen. CCNY or CHY? Okay, CNH. CNH. USD CNH. I will take the oil market chart off so I can bring it in. Is that all right? I don't trade CNF, but I'm a very experienced in trading, so I can analyze most of the charts that you are dealing with. Believe me, if you keep coming here, I may impact you strongly that you will not be having losses as much as you used to do in your trading. Yeah. Someone said, I think that would be great. Nigeria. So we have a lot of people from Nigeria. We have a lot of people from Nigeria who are here. How many of you is using Pro from account? I'm sure I'm gonna receive a lot. How many of you is on Pro from account? Someone said, I'm currently selling JPY. I will also help you do that. I like your comment now. Neko Nkeduchupu. I don't know if I get your name correctly. Incheduchupu. Yeah, I like your comment. Do you know why? It will help me to know what to do and make sure I'm communicating with you guys, because I'm on YouTube because of you guys. So you are trading JPY. So I'll bring it up and we can analyze it, but also let me know the reason why you are trading it. Yeah. Somebody say 80 from Delta State. Okay, fine. Could that be fine? So I like to make sure I engage you guys as much as possible. Because if I'm just talking without paying attention to you, to your comment, I won't be able to know that I'm flowing with you guys. So back to my analysis. I will come to JPB, JPY immediately I finish JPY, USD JPY. So there is a potentiality of USD JPY going down more, very more. There is a high potentiality of it coming down. It could come down to the area that I marked here. It possibly going to come down towards 150,174. But most likely going to come down to 150,174. And it may also come more further down to 145, 148, 591, 148,591. So going on that, the current, if you want to check it on the pips, you should be able to have about 360 pips down, 360 pips down. And if you're using one lot to trade it, like one lot volume, which is $10, that would be $10. That will give you a profit of $10. $10 times 360 pips. So you make about $3,600. Yeah, this will be a profit. You make $3,600 profit on JPY. But I want you to make sure you know the reason why it's gonna go down to that point. You make $3,600 profit using $10 volume. I'm not saying $10 capital. For those of you that don't understand all these things, you can be able to we can explain to you more so you understand what I mean. You make about 10,000 something dollars, and similar thing may appear on Japanese Asian currencies, but I think it should be much better focusing the trade war on JPY USD because it's part of the Asian currency. Why I say so? Because JPY with Japanese yen is like a safe haven for between the US and the rest of the world, apart from gold. So people invest more with them to save themselves from market volatility. So anything Asian news, anything that has to do with China and within that region, we affect USJPY more than Chinese currency, because although Chinese currency is also dominant, is coming up, but it does not fall among the top currency pairs. Do you understand what I mean? It doesn't fall among the top currency pairs. Example is this. US JPY is like euro within the eurozone, but not exactly like that because the Asian countries are not using one currency. But you know that in eurozone we have about 30 something countries under euro, and let's say Germany become another world economic power. Germany has their own currency. I think what's that currency? There's a currency in Germany. So if you're in Germany, you're most likely going to use your currency, or unless you want to use euro to trade. Now, if something is happening now, you may come to the market and see German currency versus dollar. But if something is happening within Germany or within the eurozone, it will going to affect euro USD. If something is happening within Germany, it will affect euro USD more than it will affect German currency and dollar. Do you understand the analysis now? I don't know if you guys understand what I just explained now. So if something happen like that, it will affect Euro USD. That's a similar thing, similar analysis or similar implication on US JPY or JPY. So if something happen within the Asian market, it affects JPY more because people, the people who trade in this market, they usually invest more to JPY, especially when there is some uncertainty, or let me put it this way, more trading volume happens on JPY. So we could be able, and if you check the setup here, there are more opportunity that JPY may drop, significantly dropped. In the coming weeks. Something just come to my mind now. Something just struck to my mind. I don't know whether you noticed that. Okay, you want to open it? Okay, let me open it for you. It's not live. Has it gone? Okay. So something struck to my mind. You know that the trade war is in favor of dollar, and dollar is gaining more strength against JPY. So I'm okay. Let's keep this analysis this way. Let's keep it this way. It has chances of dropping. They have a lot of chances of dropping. And if you drop to up to 300 pips, that would be $3,600 profit. Yeah, it has high chances of dropping. So you guys that use rather use a pro forma account or your own account to trade, it's a very good opportunity for you to also trade it. It has chances of dropping, but let me not say what is in my mind because I used my own trade rules to analyze the market. That point, this point here, this point where I put this yellow line is a resistance point. The same way we have a support point here. So there are chances on this market on Euro USD going this way, going from here up. There are high chances. Let me make it on green. Going like this up, very high chances that it will go from that point up. You know what I mean? So I want to say Nkesi Obasi from London. Do you have that? Do you have any of your charger here? Yeah, that could charge this in. It's connected now. Mm-hmm. What is it? I don't have it, right? Okay. So there are chances that this market will go up unless if this point is broken. And the similar thing is applicable here on the Britain pound USD, as I said, unless if it's also broken. Then let me go further to what this. Some say I don't understand, sir. Okay, I will come to you. Britain pound, JPP, JPY. I have to close this market. JPP, JPY. JPP, JPY. Yeah. So are you buying or you're selling it? What's your name? Let me just call you Madu because your name is difficult for me to pronounce. I can pronounce Chuku Madu, but the second, your first name, the first letters is difficult for me. Inchedo. It's like Inchedo Chupu. Are you buying or you're selling it? Inchedo Chuku Madu. Oh, okay. If you're selling it, you are in a good position. Yeah, I support your sell on it. Yeah, you have chance of making a good profit from it. Yeah, but I don't know the point where you place it said, so that's the problem. So on it, here is a very strong support, to be honest. This point is good at this point now. So it has formed a very strong support. So the way I'm seeing the chart pattern is going to go this way. It will hit this point. Let me change it to red because red is a sign of bearish. This is the current market now. So chances are there that it will move from here down to 200.525. Yeah. So chances are there that it will go to 200.525. And the second chances are there that it will go to 198.597. That's the second chances it will go to 598.597. And you will it will be an average pips of let me check from here, average pips of 430 pips. And 430 pips now will give you about 4,000. It will give you about $4,300 if you are using um, 10 volume. That will give you about 4,000 um 4,300. I'll give you about $4,300. Yeah. Is that all right? Okay, so I'm selling at 208. I'm using a web trading platform. I'm analyzing through web trading platform. Yeah. So because I'm on the web, so I'm not using downloaded MT5. So I'm selling at 202,898. Where is 202,898? Let me check from here. 202. Okay, yeah. So it's a good price. You are selling within the current market price. So it's a very good price. So this is my setup. So what you have to do, just go and take a cup of coffee somewhere and check. Remember, these are not something that will just happen overnight or within short hour. It can happen like it can happen from now to maybe 1 week time, like 5 days time, or it can even be more. That's why as a trader, you need to be patient in your trading. You need to be extremely patient. It will really help you to be a better trader. If you're not patient, you won't be able to maximize the opportunity that comes with trading. Somebody say, Somebody say, if you want to enter, where can you enter for looking at for sale? Yeah, this particular market is good to enter at this price. But remember, some of your questions looks too straight. This is streaming. It's not that I'm giving you an investment advice. So this here alone is also a very good price. It's used to decide whether you should enter them or not. You know what I mean? So this particular price is a good price to hit a serious sell. I'm using technical factors here, which you have chances of making profit. So on this area, it has formed a strong resistance, which is 208. 208 here has formed a strong resistance. 208, sorry, 204. 204 form a strong resistance. You know what I mean? It has formed a strong resistance. So remember, those of you that are joining us now, if you share our page with your friends, you could have a chance of winning 1,000. And they can also sign up with any of the brokers we are using. Check the link, then you can sign up and be able to use them as much as possible. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm taking more questions. So let me know if what I said is okay for you. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So I like your feedback because it helped me to make sure I flow with you guys. Thank you as you responded, because I can now know that you understood me and know what I said. Yeah, it's really helping me, guys. I think we have done Euro USD, we have done JPP USD, we have done a little bit of oil, but let me go back to oil. WTI is still very bearish. But before we do, okay, somebody say, okay, but before we go in on oil, we try to know some of the factors. Oil is mostly driven by fundamentals, and it's not too hard to trade. It's one of the best instruments you can also trade. It can trade with. You know what I mean? It's one of the best instruments you can trade with. Those of you that want to join, that want to learn from us, you can learn our trading school, and we'll give you up to 30% discount if you want to join our trading school. I did not put it before. Let me put it now. There's so many pages. Paragon Trading School. Yeah. Okay. Uh, Let me go back to the. So you could see my screen now, right? I've changed the screen to another thing, so you should be able to see it now. Yeah. So when we're talking about oil, there are many factors we need to consider on oil. Why energy investors are doubling down on oil and gas, regulatory uncertainty, monetary administration, and shifting global policies, clouding investment decision across both renewable and fossil fuel. So these are one of the factors that is causing the price of oil to keep dropping. Other factors let me check other factors that are causing it to drop. Let me check other factors. So the major factor that pushed the price down is this. This is the major factor that pushed the price down. Yeah, this is the major factor that pushed the price seriously down. You should be able to see that now. And I'm showing you, in case you have a question, you are also free to drop your question on the comment section. You can ask me as many questions as possible. I should be able to answer you guys. So, the benefit of here is that you could pick a very powerful analysis from, you could pick a good analysis from here and use it to make money. So somebody said, when you open an entry on any of the currency pair, do you just go to sleep until, yeah, of course, you can go to sleep until you hit your SL or TP, or you can once in a while monitor it and adjust it based on the market condition. It's based on market conditions. Yeah, and if you are like a position trader, you could place it and leave it for a long time to trade. So those things happen. You can place it, then you leave it for a long time for profit to come. Somebody said, do you trade on? Yeah. It's only important to trade on a high time frame. Like minimum the time frame you should trade is daily time frames. Don't always look for a way to be trading on a short movement, because short movement will give you an overview of what the market condition is. It will only give you a short time range, which if you follow it, you may end up making a lot of mistake. Do you understand that? Yeah. Somebody said, do you, and again, what is your advice on funded account? Yeah, it's good for people who doesn't want to use their money in trading. The only disadvantage is this: if you have maybe the one that is not very good, the one that's not good for you. So if you have a bad one, like you may have some challenges is carrying out with them, but it can actually help you to be profitable, like if you are a funded account. If you use a funded account, I don't have that patient to be. Yeah, but so if you don't have a patient, to get ready to be losing trading as often as possible, because patient is one of the most effective strategy you need in trading. Yeah, patient is one of the most effective strategy you need in any trading and an investment. So I'm having a cup of biscuit here, so let me take it. So then this is digestive. I don't always eat heavy food. I like taking coffee, biscuit. My coffee just has finished. Maybe I have to get another one. Um. So if you are if you don't have patience as a trader, that means you don't have a good strategy. One of the strategy you need in anything is to be successful in trading is patient. It goes together with similar with the law of life. Life needs patience. If you don't have patience in life, there are a lot of things that you cannot achieve. That's the truth. If you're impatient in life, you have chances of failure. You're most likely going to fail in so many areas if you're totally impatient in life. Do you understand that? So, we cannot recommend the prophet for you. We are bigger than that. If any prophet wants us to recommend for them for their students, they have to come and pay us some marketing and advertisement. They can promote them among our, maybe on our page here, people can use them. So we cannot recommend them. We cannot be promoting a prophet anyone. So you can search for it and get anyone you want. And if it's okay for you, fine. Yeah. Some good from both. I'm Chika Dubi watching it from Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, so are you a trader? So we're making a live analysis focusing on the New York market. We have analyzed oil. So we have analyzed currencies. We have analyzed Euro USD, with pound USD. We have analyzed USD JPY. We have analyzed which other one? JPP JPY, which we've analyzed, and which other one have we analyzed now? We've analyzed oil. So if you have anything, anyone that you want us to put our eyes into, also let us know, can be able to help you. The essence of coming on live stream these days is to do a live analysis for you, which can help you pick profitable trades. You know what I mean? You can pick potential trade for free. So we'll be coming mostly when the market is very active to drop those analysis, and you can be able to pick them. That's why we come on live as often as possible, so you can pick them. Apart from that, we could also be posting some customized videos on our page to also engage you. But live streaming can help you to interact with us live and ask some questions. You know what I mean? Yeah. For those of you that want to join our trading school, you can join our trading school. Can provide you a funded account up to $10,000 if you join our trading school. That's off our discount rate. We can be able to give you an account up to $10,000 if you join them, and you can trade based on the condition of the profile, how they give you their condition. Yeah. So any further question? So always make sure you share the screen so that you can connect. So this is one of the reasons why the price of oil came down, because of the ceasefire deal that happened within the Israeli and the Hamas government or in Gaza. Then, and also the Donald Trump tariff on China. That's one of the things that pushed the price down. Or otherwise, the oil market could have gone up. They said the Brent crude tumbled below critical, below the critical at $60 per barrel. Yeah, and as you can see from the chart here, you see that the market came down to $59 per barrel. So that is one of the reasons why the market came down. So we'll be looking for more factors that could push it up. There are three factors in it in trading oil. In this natural disasters like war, out of war, political news. Then we'll talk of demand and supply. So these are the factors they need more to trade oil. When we see there are more supply in oil, the price may come down. When I see that there are lesser supply in oil, then the price will go up. So these are the factors that you need to observe if you want to be a profitable trader on commodities. And it's one of the best commodities you can ever trade. And it's very simple. Yeah. So somebody say I'm watching from Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, yeah, welcome. You're watching from Lagos, Nigeria. So despite that, we still have a strong analysis on oil that it presented a good opportunity currently now. So here still remain the support zone on oil. It means if the support is broken, it will come down to 56. Come down to 56. If by any chance the support is broken, the price could come down to 66. And currently now it's making a rebound going up. So the price is expected to also rebound to 63. Yeah, as I speak, the price is most likely going to rebound to 63. It's very much anticipated that you're going to rebound to $63 per barrel. So always make sure you share this thing and you share our page. We'll be here for 1 hour now, 1 hour, 4 minutes. So we're going to be here for 2 hours at least. So we're going to be here for extra 1 hour. For those of you that are coming in, if you're just coming in, we are making a live analysis. If you're a trader, you could comment on session that I'm a trader. Then if you need some help, you could also tell us the instruments where you need the help, how you want us to analyze it. And if you want to join our any of our services, you go on this description and see what is happening there. I see the link we posted on maybe account management system, automated trading system, join our trading school, and joining the broker we are pushing at the moment. What are the currency pair you can recommend for beginners? There's no beginner's currency pair. Trading is trading. No, trading is so just learn how to trade and use a new one. There's no currency pair suitable for beginner. If you're talking about beginner now, maybe you can talk of Nigerian currency and Ghana, or Nigerian currency and Togo currency. There's no space for beginners. Being a beginner does not make you trade lesser currency or whatever. Currency is currency. There's no one designed for beginners. Do you understand? There's no sophisticated one at all. It's the same thing. It's either it's going up or it's coming down. The same price a professional banker or a professional trader buy, that's also the same price you buy. There's no one say, okay, you're a beginner, trade this one. No. So I know that some of you don't have all the time to learn or the culture to learn properly. That's most of the times why some of this question come like this. But I will also encourage you to know if you could be able to learn properly, once in a while and catch up with other strategies that you need to be a good trader. So let me just know if I'm clear with oil, if you understand, if you guys have fully understood what I mentioned on oil so far. I'm taking more of information here, guys. So if you have more questions, you can be able to drop it for me. I will attend them. Yeah, someone say how much can I do for automation? Can I do like $100, 200? It just it depends on you. And but sometimes it's good to have a reasonable amount. It'll be 1,000 or 2,000 or 5,000, depending. But you know how the system is. I don't understand oil trading. Okay. Okay, somebody say good afternoon, boss. My name is watching from Nigeria. I don't understand. So yeah, you may need to learn a bit about oil and gas trading so that you can be able to understand the same way people take time to learn about gold trading. Then it will seriously help you. So so now this is one of the major things we need on oil as I speak now, and if the market continuously to go down, it may go this way, guys. It may most likely go this way. That's if the price broke this point. That's if this point is broken. But remember now, based on the support resistance, this market have a better advantage for buyers than sellers. Okay. Okay. So guys, those are two that join us new. Can let us know where you're coming from, where you're joining from, and we are coordinating on life analysis so we can be able to analyze for you exactly what the condition of the market is. And if you want to join them, if you want to like pick any of the trade, you can be at bet. Okay. Is there any amount for automation apart from capital for trading? It depends on you. Some of this thing can take you $100, $500, $1,000. So there's no particular maybe fix. It's something that when you have a manual account, you can choose to start with this with any amount you like. You know what I mean? So let me just check something. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, any question? Let me know if there's a question so far, or you guys are just like trying to get familiar with the system. Any question? Someone said I have a weekly something. Let me check for you. Someone said, I have to be weekly trader. How should I arrange my time? Yeah, so I'm not teaching you how to trade here. That's your name, Ezekiel. I'm just making analysis for you. So you ought to be a trader to understand your chart and understand how to arrange your chart. So I'm not going to teach you how to trade. Some of this is you need to learn them before you know, so before this time. So that you can know how to balance your chart and do other stuff. So it's difficult for me to start explain to you about chart models. You get what I mean? Let me check something here. Let me check something here. I hope you can hear me very clear. There are other things coming up in the market, which I'm kind of observing. And I'll be able to let you guys know too as well. So many breaking news coming up. Many breaking news coming up in the market, which I will let you guys know as well. So today is Monday. So what are you looking for on the gold? Yeah. We on the gold market as I speak, so we don't sell gold, we only buy gold. So gold has gone up very. The best strategy we have currently on gold is so on gold most likely going to continue going up. It will continue going up. And if you are hitting on gold, you'll be one of the best strategies you need on gold is to be using a closer SL. Closer SL will help you. Yeah, using a closer SL will help you to keep floating on gold. So if you don't have a closer SL, you'll be affected in terms of gold trading. Always make sure you share our screen, our page. You have a chance of winning a $10,000, $1,000 account if you share our screen with any of the brokers we are using. You can be able to win up to $1,000 account. Yeah. So guys, I'm waiting for you guys. So which other instrument are you guys trading, or are you all beginners? So let me know. I'm gonna give you that update later. So I'm just checking out on something. Yeah. So it depends on the, the strategy you're using. So when do you want to trade on weekly basis or daily basis or a long-term approach on gold? I mean, Rosalind. So you said you are when are you looking to buy gold? So is it like on a short-term note or a very long time? Uh, I wish to trade daily. Okay, no. If you're daily trader on gold, you just keep buying gold because of gold keep going up. So I'm not sure gold will drop daily like that. It's not possible. It's not really common for gold to drop daily. So check the gold. So if you check the gold or this thing, as you can see, you could see my chart on gold. Yeah, look at the chart on gold, and I'm currently on a daily market. So this is my chart on gold, and I'm currently on a daily market. So this is daily. As you can see, you see how it's been performing. See, look at it. You see how it can in performing. So so let me check. There are more information coming up, like more breaking news coming up and stuff like that. Okay, there's a news now concerning Trump in the Middle East. They say it raises hope for Ukraine peace push. Mm. Donald Trump landed Middle East peace mission has renewed call for him to reignite stall effort to end Russian war in Ukraine. Though deep geopolitical divide much diplomacy. Okay, it's tougher. Mhm. So these are the factors coming up on oil. So let me check if there are more factors. Um, so which one? Okay. Gold will remain bullish, and most likely going to get up to 4,000. Sorry, most likely will get up to 5,000 this year. There's no chances of the price dropping, to be honest. Yeah, there's no chances of the price drop. It may continuously going up. It may continuously going up to get up to 5,000 this year or 4,500 because currently we are now 4,100. So the next move should be we moving up to 4,200 as the case may be. You know what I mean? Yeah, no chance that the price will just drop like that. Yeah. So I'm checking a lot of stuff. I'm reading a lot of stuff in case you need to ask a question. You're just joining us. You could just hit the page and ask us, some questions that may interest you, that you may think we should know. If you have a particular instrument, a trading, you want us to analyze, you also let us know because I'm just going through this thing here. Make sure you always comment on the session and you share the page. Guys, I'm open for your questions. I'm seriously looking for your questions, so you can be able to contact me directly. Um, okay. We are like checking some stuff. I'm reading a lot of information here. If you have any pair you want us to help you analyze, also just drop it on the session while I'm checking what I'm checking. Okay, so guys, we have been here for exactly 100 minutes live streaming. So it's quite a lot. And from those things we have analyzed now, they are all very much active, and we also follow them up accordingly. I have other engagement I need to follow up to, and the other channel I need to engage as well. One hundred, yeah. So we got how many people watch our stream today? Let me check how many people have watched us today. We're actually increasing. So we have 133 viewers, and they spend average 7.22 minutes. Yeah, we have 133 viewers that viewed our stream, and it was a very good one. So our stream health was like excellent. The stream current rate by sorry. Mm. So let me take one more question before I exit this stream. So guys, if you have any question again, just let me know. I'll be able to answer you. To be honest, so those of you joining us now, you could ask us have we been discussing about trading. The essence of coming on live stream these days is to make sure we'll be giving you live market analysis. You could pick any of our analysis while we are live, and you can be able to make a trade as soon as possible, as you want. We'll be coming. So if you have shared our page, make sure you reach out to us on the Telegram, and they send us the the screenshot, so we could put you on our chain of people that will be lucky to win a trading account of $1,000. So tomorrow we're still gonna come up again on a live stream, and people will still have chances of, we should take more. At the end of the day, we select a winner of the account. You know what I mean? Yeah. So currently wishing you all the best. So let me go now, and if you need anything, let us know. Yeah.